Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 150 pound resistant band set. So it brings 5 different resistant bands. It brings your handles. It brings the door mount and 2 ankle attachments so you could work out your legs. So I already had this set for over 3 years now, and they still work very well. These bands give me a great workout, and let me show you how they set up very easily whenever that you want to switch your room exercise. So if you want to hook up the first one to the door, you grab your door mount, slide this through the hole, and then you're able to put your handles on the clips, and now you're able to put this on your door like so. And now you're ready to work out by doing your different exercises depending on what you're trying to build. You're also able to put this on the floor so you could work out your arms also. And they even stretch out very well, and they still give you a great resistant workout. For the leg exercises, you hook this to your ankle like so. It's a Velcro like this. Then you slide this under the door. Overall, this is a great workout set to have in your house. It's very easy to travel with. You could do exercises on the go with these. The elastic material is very durable and holds up to a lot of pressure and a lot of stretching. I like how it has the different weights that it has on here. It goes from 10 to 50. And I also like the handles, the soft handle grips, and the door attachment so you could do more exercises using a door frame.